mixed up some dough for an order, but I'm gonna make some for home / my mailman. I don't know, we'll see. I have some starter that I fed under 24 hours ago. It's past its peak, but we're gonna throw some bread together with it. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. So we'll start with 300 grams of filtered water. This is just at room temperature. And then we're gonna do 125 grams of, she's past her peak, but I don't care. This is Franny. Anyways, 125 grams of starter. I'm gonna mix this up on my mixer just for a minute here to get a slurry going. So now we're gonna add 10 grams of salt and 500 grams of bread flour. I'll just make some mini loaves probably with this. That way I have a little bit for home. I can share some with my mailman. I've been avoiding him because I gave his goodies to a fill-in and I just didn't have enough and I haven't baked since. I've been taking a lot of breaks from baking and it's been really nice to actually just enjoy the summer. And actually went to the pool for the first time this past weekend, so that was nice. I'm like, I don't know if this membership is really worth it. I haven't used it at all. Okay, 500 grams of bread flour. We're gonna put this on the mixer literally for about a minute until it forms a nice dough for us. Alrighty, so not even a minute, honestly, is all it takes to get a nice, pretty structured dough on the stand mixer here. We're gonna leave this for at least an hour. I might do some stretch and folds on it. I'll bring you guys along for the process. But a lot of times when I'm using this, I don't have to mess with this a lot to get that gluten strength built up. It has been a couple hours since we put this together. I'm just gonna do a quick round of stretch and folds. This dough is really warm today. Sorry, my phone screen must need to be cleaned here. It already has quite a bit of structure, so I'm not too concerned about it. The dough is very warm. I'll probably do at least one more round of these just because it is a little bit more sticky than what I'm used to with this lower hydration. And I forgot to do my aliquot sample. So I want to touch this a few more times just to kind of gauge how my fermentation process is going. We'll leave it for 30 minutes and I'll bring it back. Here's how we're looking about 30-ish minutes later. Dough is very warm. It's going to move along very rapidly today. I keep forgetting to take my aliquot sample. That's how I monitor the bulk fermentation process. I just put a portion of this dough. Judging by how warm this is, it would be 43 grams in a 2-ounce container with a lid. When the dough reaches the lid, I know that my bulk ferment is over. Since I'm doing the lower hydration and using the mixer, I kind of spaced that step, but we'll just have to keep an eye on it. I think that's probably good. If I do one more round in 30 minutes, I'll bring it back, but I might just leave her until it's time to shape. I'll bring it back when I do that.